All right, guys. Here I got this gadget I bought off of AliExpress, and it's supposed to help me uh, not spill any liquids when I'm filling any car with any kind of liquid. So today, I'm adding oil to a 2012 Toyota Camry. I got it down in the filler hole, and this thing you can conform it into whatever shape you need it. So I got it kind of like a funnel, and so it should go down in there, and we're gonna see if we can actually put it in without spilling. So let's try this. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the little gadget I got, and so like I said, you can put it in whatever shape you need. If you want it just to ball it up like that, you can ball it up like that. If you want it just to make it a scoop like this, you can make it scoop like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it almost like a shield scoop, so long enough where it doesn't spill. So we're gonna make the bottom smaller so it'll fit down in there, but I also want to make it to where it fits all the way in. So we're gonna try to we oomping it in there like that. We oomphed it. And so now, since we oomphed it in there, and what I'm gonna do when I pour it, I'm gonna pour it towards the back here so it just rolls down. And so that's the plan. I've now already drained the oil. Now I've already changed the oil filter. Now it's time to oomph the oil in here. So here we go. Finna oomph the oil in here and see if it works. Oh, I hope it don't. Here we go. Oh, oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. Oh, no spills yet. Oh, no spills yet. No spills. AliExpress, you might have got one on this one. Oh, no spills. AliExpress. I need a couple of more. This is a game changer for me right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still, like with this Toyota, the fill area is not very deep, so you have to kind of not like just pour it in, or it will overfill. So, but this right here, like I said, I don't gotta try to aim it in a spout. I can just let it roll on the back of that, and it's just gonna go on down. So, AliExpress, 99 cents. Oh, I spilled some. I put too much. But that's not due to the this gadget here. It's due to me pouring it too fast. I gotta watch it down here. All right, guys. So this gadget worked. I mean, it worked flawlessly, to be honest with you. Just like I said, on this Toyota, uh, the fill hole is not deep, and so you have to kind of manage your flow of when you're pouring it. So you pour it too fast, it's gonna build up in your tube or your funnel, and it's just gonna overfill or kind of pour out a little bit. So that's what I was doing, just taking my time. When I seen it come up, I slowed it up to give it time to go down. But as far as that, it did not spill. I did not spill trying to pour it in, and that was what I was trying to avoid, spilling as I was pouring in, so it don't get on top of the engine. So I bought this just for that, just to check it and see what it would do, and it was a pass. So I would suggest this. I mean, this thing costs, I actually got it for 69 cents, but I think it's like 99 cents on regular. I had got it on a sale. So 69 cents, and you can put it in whatever shape you need to put it in. So, and as you can see, oil is in, no leakage. Let's go, AliExpress.
Thank you for the moments, thank you for the time, for the love you give and the